Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MAX function in Excel. This powerful tool helps you quickly find the largest number in a range of cells or a list of values. You simply type equals MAX, then open a parenthesis and select your data. It's incredibly useful for tasks like identifying the highest sales figure or the maximum score in a test. Let's dive into how to apply this function effectively. Let's start with a basic application. Imagine you have a column of sales figures from cell A1 to A10. First, click on an empty cell, perhaps B1. Then, type equals MAX, open a parenthesis and drag your mouse to select cells A1 through A10. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Excel will instantly show you the highest sales number from that entire list, making data analysis straightforward. The MAX function is quite versatile, allowing you to evaluate more than just one continuous range. You can include several separate ranges or even individual numbers by separating them with commas inside the parentheses. For example, equals MAX, A1 to A5, C1 to C5, 100. Remember, MAX intelligently skips over any text or blank cells, focusing solely on numerical values to give you the correct maximum. Here are some practical tips for using MAX. It's incredibly useful in large spreadsheets for quickly spotting the highest value, whether it's a peak sales month or the highest temperature recorded. You can even combine it with other functions for more advanced analysis. For instance, you might use it to find the maximum value that meets a certain condition. This function is a fundamental tool for efficient data interpretation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.